Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover the password on your KakaoTalk account. We all forget our passwords from time to time, but don't worry, this time I'm gonna show you how you can recover the password on your KakaoTalk account. So let's get started. First of all, open the KakaoTalk application on your phone. You will be taken to a page like this where at the bottom you will find the option to find your Kakao account or password. Click there and then choose either you want to find your email or phone number or your password. Then you will be asked to enter your phone number or your email that you used while creating your account. So I'm going to go ahead and add phone number. Remember that if you are going to use the phone number, add your country code as well. Then click on next and then click on your find account option. Click on find account option again. And there you will see a lot of ways how you can recover your password or find your account. I'm just going to go ahead and use my nickname or phone number. There enter your name and then your country code. You can select one and enter your phone number. Then click on find account. There you will see the option to reset your password. Go ahead and click there and then click on the arrowhead right next to your phone number. There you will be asked to verify your phone number. Click on verify and wait for the verification code. So you can copy or paste or simply type in the verification code. I'm going to copy and paste and then click on next button there. Now you will have the option to create a new password and re-enter the password. After you're done, click on the confirm button. And now you have to click on the confirm button again. Wait for a while. And to log in again, you will be required to enter the phone number and the password that you just created. Go ahead and enter them. After you're done, you will be required to enter your phone number again to log in. Click on OK and then you'll receive a verification code on your phone number. Click on OK and when you receive a verification code, you can enter there. So mine has been auto-filled and there you go. You are now logged in. Just click on continue on your account and you can sync your contacts there. I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK. You have now successfully logged in and recovered your password. Don't forget your password next time. Thank you for watching till the end. If this video was helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel.